one of the things we're super into is to get all the teachers comfortable with teaching Python. So this summer we'll be doing a free online course that you can actually get our help anytime you're stuck. So I'll talk about that. If for the people that couldn't join today, you can also do this, right? So you will go to the Auto Labs. You can actually join using this cohort code name, Python Teachers. And this is how we create our classrooms. So you can, when you get there, you'll see that this could be, we can create a future classroom for you that would look like that. And if you get stuck, you can schedule mentoring time with me, or if you want to share an idea, if you want to just talk about something, you go to Calendly here, and the blue days here are options. Let me know if those times do not work for you. We can make it work. So what I have for you in your classroom for this summer is the following. Let me go to the teachers cohort specifically. I have so many cohorts here. So again, this could be a cohort for your classroom. It's just giving you an idea of how it works. You have all the content that Aurora has with the cards, so you have an idea if you decide to teach this. By the way, we can always customize this content for you. For example, if you're not comfortable on giving the students a chance of looking into data science, we can take that out of the game, and we can only show the levels that would make sense for your classroom. Like if they're very young, they will just see the level 0, 1, and 2, possibly, unless they're really good already on coding for some reason. So for you, for your summer, and as soon as you enroll, you have 0 points here, so you have to start working. No pressure. But here's what we kind of extracted this from the lessons that are coupled with the cars. But this is what you can do without the cars, and up to until level 3. Not everything is here. It's just like a little introduction. So you have the intro to programming, and now you see a little bit of what it was machine learning, and then you have the coding options. You don't need to do the bonuses; they are optional. But sometimes you might need them for tackling a project. Like for example, the expense calculator project here is a Python only project. You'll need to know the bonus variables in Python. But you could not, you could decide not to do this. The bonuses are not super important for you. It's just an introduction here. We have a review and assessment as well. And then you start moving on. This is actually our second level, but we add the cars to this, right? So we have a lot of car application here. So it won't be as fun, but you can do the Python. You can feel comfortable with what is Python. And so on. So I think there's only 11 levels here. But if you finish this, you feel like I want to know a lot more, you can just go back and find the next level Python. It would be in level 4 and up. You can find them here and keep going and, keep getting my help this summer. It's up to you. So this is, this is what I would love to have or you can share this with your teacher if you're not the one actually teaching. We have had teachers that haven't gone through any of this, and they successfully facilitated these classes in their classroom. This is just a way, the more you know, obviously, the better, the more confident you feel, and that's part of, we know it's part of the game. That's why we want everybody in the world to learn Python. That's why, the chances are better than the students will learn as well.